Hello friends, we are back with another set of products. These products are for Mercedes 608 truck and buses. Very nice lamps, great utility, set of front indicators and the tail lamp. The tail lamp part number is TL310 and the front lamp part number is SL501. About the materials, this is ABS housing and polystyrene lens. There is a reflector inside this which is made of polypropylene which is metallized. It has three functions. This is the indicator function with a 21 watt bulb in it, and this is the tail stop function with a 21 watt and a 5 watt bulb in it. You fix this lamp with these two holes. There is a coupler fitment for left and right. And then we have the front indicator. You can see this lamp in this picture which is on your screen on the truck. It has a rubber base and a polystyrene lens, and it has a single wire. You can take earth from these bolts. So these are set of lamps for Mercedes 608 truck from the house of Bajato.